Hello, my name is Ray. I'm the Ray in the Ray Code. Welcome to my video series, I Plan to Create. I plan to survey 23 design patterns presented by the Game 4 in the famous book, Elements of Usable Object-Oriented Software. And I'll be using the programming language C#. You can find code if I use it. I'll post it at GitHub. Also, you can play around with the code yourself. Let me know what you think. The code you will receive will be heavily commented. You can find my code posted in article format at theraycode.org. Also, I maintain theraycode.com, but theraycode.org is for the code. Theraycode.com will be something in the future. Teaser. Follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Leave a comment if you have not yet. Give this video a like, subscribe, and be good. Creational Patterns in C#. Creational Patterns in C# focus on efficient object creation while reducing complexity and promoting flexibility in design. Singleton ensures a class has a single instance using private constructors and static properties for controlled access. Factory method defines an interface for object creation, letting subclasses specify the type of objects to instantiate. Abstract factory provides an interface for creating families of related objects without specifying their concrete implementations. Builder separates complex object construction from representation, enabling flexible configurations through method chaining in C#. Prototype creates new objects by cloning existing ones, utilizes iClonable and deep copy techniques for duplicating complex objects. Structural patterns in C#. Structural patterns emphasize efficient class and object composition, ensuring modular, extensible, and scalable design in C#. Adapter converts one interface to another using inheritance or composition, allowing seamless integration of incompatible components. Bridge decouples abstraction from implementation, enabling independent evolution of both through interfaces and composition in C#. Composite organizes objects into tree structure to represent part-whole hierarchies, leveraging recursive relationships for complex systems. Decorator adds responsibilities dynamically to objects without altering their structure, implemented with compositions and interfaces. Facade provides a simplified interface to complex systems, encapsulating their functionality into a single cohesive API. Flyweight minimizes memory usage by sharing common states among similar objects, often implemented with static caching in C#. Proxy acts as a placeholder or a surrogate, controlling access to another object using lazy loading or remote proxies. Behavioral patterns in C#. Behavioral patterns in C# manage object communication and workflows, promoting dynamic, loosely coupled systems. Chain of responsibility passes requests through a chain of handlers, following each to decide whether to process or forward the request. Command encapsulates requests as objects, enabling flexibility, executing, querying, and undo-redo operations in C#. Iterator defines and evaluates a grammar for a language, suitable for scripting engines and domain-specific languages. Iterator provides a standard way to traverse collections, leveraging IEnumeral and IEnumerator for seamless iterations. Mediator centralizes communications between objects, reducing dependencies by using events, delegates, or mediator class. Memento captures and restores an object's internal state without exposing implementation details, useful for undo functionality. Observer establishes a one-to-many relationship where changes in one object notify defendants using events or delegates. State changes an object behavior based on its state, modeled using polymorphism or state pattern implementation. Strategy encapsulates algorithms within classes, allowing dynamic substitution of strategies for tasks like validation or sorting. Template method defines algorithm skeleton in a base class, allowing subclasses to override specific steps while retaining structure. Visitor encapsulates operations to be performed on object structure, enabling functionality without altering the objects. The video. I plan to create these videos each week. Follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Check out theraycode.org and .com. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Be good. The Ray Code is awesome.